Hello, welcome to Marg ERP Solutions. In this tutorial video we will tell you every steps to enable fast billing mode in Marg Software, so let's start the video. So, how to enable fast billing mode on billing window in Marg Software? In Marg Software, if the user needs to enable fast billing mode at the time of billing, then it can be done easily. In order to enable fast billing mode, the user needs to follow the below steps. At the time of billing, after feeding all the necessary details like party name, bill date, bill number, etc., and then press Enter key to select items. An Items window will appear. Press Ctrl W key on selected item to enable fast billing mode. At fast billing mode, get enable. Now the user will select the item. The user will mention the quantity to be sold. Suppose select a MIFRA 40 and mention 7 quantity. If the user needs to add more items into bill, then the user will press Enter key on item and mention quantity as per the requirement. Then press Ctrl W key to load selected items into bill. Now, the user will press Ctrl W key and click on Yes to save the details. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial videos, then please press like button, share this video to your friend and family, comment your feedback in your comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.